has taken another symbolic step in celebrating its growing achievements in space exploration. On Sunday, the Department of Posts released 2 commemorative postage stamps and souvenir sheets marking the remarkable progress of India's human space program led by the Indian Space Research Organization. The stamps were officially released by K. Prakash, Chief Postmaster General of the Karnataka Postal Circle, in the presence of ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan and Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, the first Indian to reach the International Space Station. These commemorative stamps and souvenir sheets beautifully capture India's journey in space from its early milestone with the launch of Aryabhata to its ambitious future plans in human spaceflight and orbital infrastructure. They also highlight India's rich scientific and astronomical heritage, symbolized by landmarks such as the Jantar Mantar. One of the souvenir sheets features the Gaganyaan crew module, along with India's future vision of the Bharatiya Antariksha Station, which aims to establish an indigenous space station by 2035. The second souvenir sheet draws inspiration from the Axiom 4 mission and connects India's ancient astronomical traditions with modern space technology. It also includes the mission patch designed by Manish Tripathi for Group Captain Shukla's historic Axiom 4 spaceflight. Speaking on the occasion, Group Captain Shukla said that space missions and exploration have the power to transform a nation's future. ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan, in his address, appreciated the service of the Postal Department to the nation and credited Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the human space flight program. He also emphasized that ensuring astronaut safety remains the highest priority as India advances towards future human space missions. With this release, India not only celebrates its achievements in space but also reinforces its vision for a stronger and more ambitious future in space exploration.